Hello everyone, my name is Eli Anthony De Leon. I'm from grade 2 Respectfulness. For today's video, I will recite our lesson in English. So let's start. In first question, the lesson that I like the most is the word, phrase, sentence, and paragraph because it is fun identifying them, and also the possessive noun because it helps us make the sentence clear and accurate. In question number 2, I choose the topic gender noun because in this topic I learned about the difference between masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. Masculine, it refers to a male. For example, father. Feminine, it refers to a female. For example, mother. Common, it refers to a male and female. For example, teacher. Neuter, it refers to a thing. For example, computer. In question number 3, I don't have any questions because it's all clear for me. Thank you. Goodbye. Mwah.